Conjugation of the verb to whisper in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I whisper. 2. Simple past, I whispered. 3. Simple future, I will whisper. 4. Present continuous, I am whispering. 5. Past continuous, I was whispering. 6. Future continuous, I will be whispering. 7. Present perfect, I have whispered. 8. Past perfect, I had whispered. 9. Future perfect, I will have whispered. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been whispering. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been whispering. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been whispering. Conjugation of the verb to whisper. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it whispers. 2. Simple past. He, she or it whispered. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will whisper. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is whispering. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was whispering. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be whispering. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has whispered. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had whispered. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have whispered. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been whispering. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been whispering. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been whispering. Conjugation of the verb to whisper. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they whisper. 2. Simple past. You, we or they whispered. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will whisper. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are whispering. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were whispering. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be whispering. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have whispered. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had whispered. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have whispered. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been whispering. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been whispering. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been whispering. Verb to whisper forms. Present simple, I, you, we, they whisper. He, she, it whispers. Past simple whispered. Past participle whispered. Ing form whispering.